Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to explain how you can connect your Canva account with Google Drive in 2026, for example, to save and export your projects, designs and logos on Google Drive from your Canva account. So let us get started. So head over to your project here on Canva, click into share in the top right, and then guys, what you want to do is click into see all in the bottom right. From here, what you want to do is scroll down, and here under save you will see Google Drive. Click into it. Then guys, you will see this option. So you can, for example, save to given file, let's say an image in PNG, but also in other file formats like MP4, JPEG and so on and so forth. I will go with PNG. You can give it a file name like, I don't know, Mount Fuji, for instance, in this case here. Choose a folder, and as you can see guys, can't choose a folder because my account hasn't been connected with Google Drive yet. So you will need to click into this button if you're doing this for the first time. Click into connect again, and then select the associated Google account here. Give the permission by clicking into continue. Again, select all permissions, continue. And after that, as you can see, your Google Drive account will be connected. And then guys, once your account on Google Drive has been connected with Canva, you will be given the opportunity to choose the destination folder here. So click into that button, select the folder like My Drive, for example, and then select the folder from that list below. I will go with this one. Click into save at a new folder or save here, and then the given file will be saved there guys. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.